Tesla is expanding its Giga Berlin manufacturing facility as it plans to produce 500,000 cars per year at the factory eventually. Recent updates surrounding this massive expansion suggest that more trees have been cleared down for it. Just what are they possibly gambling with? Watch Giga Berlin update. More trees being cleared down for massive expansion. The massive Giga Berlin expansion has required clearing more trees in the area south and east of Tesla's initial construction site, making way for what is expected to be the main factory building. The new factory will occupy an area of around 4.5 million square feet and will be able to produce up to 500,000 cars per year. This isn't the first time that Tesla has had to clear trees for the factory, but it seems to be the biggest expansion, and Tesla has been working to ensure that the new construction does not impact the environment too much. Why Tesla is clearing down trees for massive expansion? Tesla has long planned to expand its logistics infrastructure with a freight station, stockpile, and warehouse to provide better rail connections and component storage. Timeline uncertainty aside, prior sources indicated that the manufacturer was interested in a site up to 247 hectares. As it stands, Tesla claims it has begun taking the required procedures to conserve native species and the forest throughout this round of deforestation, during which it will destroy approximately 7 hectares of pine trees. This comes not long after a Tesla spokesman said the company was getting ready to submit an application to expand the Gigafactory in Berlin, which would add extra warehouse and storage space. In the past, Tesla's attempts to construct a facility in Germany had been met with opposition from environmental groups and municipal authorities. The EV manufacturer has been steadily expanding output at Giga Berlin factory since it's unveiled its first mass-produced autos in March. Over the years, the weekly Model Y production rate hit 1,000 units. By the start of 2023, that number is expected to rise to 5,000. Tesla's ongoing performance in Germany justifies the company's decision to proceed with the manufacturing expansion project. While rising competition from rival electric vehicle manufacturers may be a concern, the automaker's plans for greater production suggest it may be ready to take on the rest of Germany's auto market, possibly jeopardizing the future of the environment as a whole. As Giga Berlin prepares to be among the world's most advanced production facilities, environmentalists have grown concerned and are prepared to challenge their clearance attempts. Need I explain why? Stay tuned to learn. Obviously, there are good and bad. Stay up to date on the status of the Giga Berlin expansion by subscribing to this channel and opting to be notified whenever new content is posted. The environmental impact of clearing down trees for expansion. Giga Berlin is on track to becoming one of the world's most cutting-edge manufacturing facilities in the not-too-distant future. The company is clearing trees and investing billions of dollars to make way for the big expansion. Production of Tesla's electric automobiles and batteries will expand thanks to this massive underway expansion. As an added bonus, the facility will help Tesla get closer to its aim of becoming a carbon-neutral business. Despite the fact that Tesla was given permission to clear the land, environmentalists have geared up to fight their clearance effort. Going back in time, many trees had to be cut down in the early 2020s to begin the Gigafactory. This alarmed local environmentalists because this was not only an ecological disaster for the local wildlife, but also for the carbon footprint of the company. Clearing trees for the expansion of Giga Berlin will have many negative impacts on the local environment. The loss of trees will lead to a loss of biodiversity and habitat for many local animals, as well as a decline in the quality of the local water supply. In addition, it will contribute to climate change, as trees play an important role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Worse, the loss of trees may make it more difficult for people to breathe, as trees help to purify the air. Tesla needs to take action to mitigate the damage it is causing to the environment. Although, looking over to the bright side, the many benefits of its proposed expansion. Guessing of some? Discover everything about them in the coming seconds. What benefits may come with this massive expansion? The Giga Berlin factory is a key component of Tesla's strategy to increase the manufacturing of its electric automobiles. Producing 500,000 vehicles annually is a major aim for Tesla, and this expansion will help them get there. Important for Tesla's expansion aspirations, Tesla Giga Berlin will enhance the production of not just automobiles, but also batteries and solar roof tiles. As a result, much new employment will be created, and the environment will benefit from an increase in the number of low-emission vehicles on the road. The increased availability of low-emission vehicles would benefit the local economy and the surrounding ecology. Currently, about 7,000 employees are working at Tesla Gigafactory Berlin Phase 1. After manufacturing has begun at full capacity, the number of workers is expected to increase to 12,000, and it's expected that the number of jobs will expand even further after Phase 2 has been built. The state's economy will gain greatly from Tesla's planned expansion, as the company is already the largest private employer in the area. According to Elon Musk, he says, "Everyone knows that German engineering is outstanding for sure. That's part of the reason why we are locating our Gigafactory Europe in Germany." There's real cause for the hype surrounding Tesla's Giga expansion, because although numerous advantages may come, it comes at the risk of everyone and the environment. Since the company's founding in 2003, Tesla has been a game changer in the automobile business. While some people are concerned about the factory's effect on the local ecosystem, the expansion will bring many advantages, including a financial boon to the neighborhood and major employment opportunities like the Giga Texas expansion. Watch our Giga Texas expansion, 3 incredible things happening to uncover more exciting things. I hope you got a kick out of watching today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.